We will not go quietly into the night. We will not vanish without a fight. We're going to live on. We're going to survive. Today, we celebrate our iPhone Dependence Day. What's happening, Band Nation? Peter Brown Band here. I'm so excited. It's the release day for the new iPhone 11, and I just could not wait to check it out. This is an iPhone 11 Pro Max, so it's the larger size, 6.5 inches. I am going to unbox this little bad boy in its entirety. No head starts here to show you what it's like. Here is the cellophane, and they put a nice big green arrowed tab because you don't even have to cut it. It just opens up like this. Now, I love shooting video, and so that's why I got this one in 512 gigabytes, and that's because that's the biggest storage that they make. Beautiful matte black box, and you can see on here, spoiler alert, I got it in the new green color. Now, especially now that all the cameras are 4K 60 frames per second recording, including the front-facing one, I thought, why not get the big size? Oh, man, some differences you can tell right off the bat. First of all, the stainless steel ribbon border edge bumper is also in a color match. Beautiful. It's supposed to be the hardest glass ever. Matte finished glass, and you can see the Apple logo no longer here, right here. And that's, I think, to denote where the bi-directional wireless charging is when it becomes finally supported. And right there, you can see that famous 3-lens camera housing. So not only do we have the wide and the telephoto, but we have the ultra wide, which I definitely want. And especially when I'm shooting, you know, inside a hotel room or a room or a building or something like that, I really do kind of want that fisheye look. And so I'm hoping that I can use that ultra wide for video. Microphone right there, and then dual LED, maybe even more LEDs under there in that frosted lens. And then we have a little tab right here to pick it up. Oh! I know that it's a little thicker, not even a millimeter thicker, but just a smidge thicker, half a millimeter thicker, and I know it's supposed to be a little heavier. And I will say it feels weighty. Not heavy, just like solid. It almost feels like a brick of aluminum. So I think they put a big battery, because this thing over my iPhone XS Max is supposed to get, look at that nice production there, 5 more hours of battery life. Edge-to-edge screen, and look at that. You can see the hidden facial recognition, and proximity detector, front-facing camera, microphone, speaker grill down here. Kind of like the XS, we've got more holes here than here, and you can see even the insulator pieces right there, also in that matte green. Oh, I like it a lot. SIM tray right here, power button right there, and then volume rocker, and then the mute switch right there. Beautiful. All right, let's get to the rest of it. Designed by Apple in California. And we get the, hello. We also get a SIM tray removal tool. You know what's funny is I think that Apple was always supposed to use liquid metal and various pieces in their phones and stuff, and I don't know that they have. I think they acquired that company, 2 stickers there. But I think they always made these little pushers, these little pins out of liquid metal, and if that is all that they got for that acquisition, that was terrible. We also get what I believe here is the fast charger. You can see USB-C right there. It's quite a bit bigger than the standard charger. This is not an Apple charger, but it's just another one that I have. It's a nice larger charger, but look how much bigger that is. Right? It's weighty too, but should get some nice fast charging out of that. We also have earbuds, which I also always really like. The Apple EarPods, I guess is what they call them, are pretty good, and using them with the inline microphone is a great way to take calls, you know, so that you don't have to hold the phone up to your ear. So we get that. And then here is the charging cable down here, and all wrapped up in paper. And there should be a USB-C there, and then the lightning. It is a little funny. I think people were expecting it to possibly be just a dual-ended USB-C, and that the port here would be USB-C instead of Lightning, but it's not. So here it is, beautiful. I'm assuming it might have a little bit of a charge. I'm just gonna hit the power button there. What up? Does not seem to be doing anything. Oh, there we go. Would love to kind of see if we can see the edge-to-edge picture on there. And I really do like the fact that the face recognition, you know, the camera, the spray of it should be have a wider angle of incidence so that you don't have to be looking at it directly. And there it is. Hello, look how big this screen is. I love it. Hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? And I think it should just be, when you order them and you're on a network, they come ready to just activate, I think. So anyway, I'll try to do that. I'm gonna have a more in-depth review. We're gonna test everything: waterproofing, sound quality, picture quality, and then durability, drop it on some concrete and stuff like that in the future here. But I'm hoping that this holds up, and we'll also try out some of the new iPhone cases as well. So there it is, the unboxing of the new iPhone 11 Pro, denoted by this camera, Max, denoted by this screen. If you want to pick up Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max accessories, I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter Von Panda, out!